Today we're going to create the Happy Hearts, the third grade project. Items you will need are markers, pencil, a Sharpie marker. If you don't have a Sharpie marker, a black Expo marker will work fine, a cup of water, and a brush. Now we're going to go ahead and grab our pencil and we're going to draw our hearts on the paper. We're going to do 5 to 6 hearts. I'm going to draw them large enough that they're filling up the space. You can vary the sizes. You can have fat and wide, tall and skinny. It's really whatever shape heart you want to make. I'm going to use my black Sharpie marker to trace around the hearts and to draw the features on the heart. Eyes, nose, mouth. If you don't have a black Sharpie, a black Expo marker works fine, but you do need to use something that is not going to dissolve in water, so a permanent marker of some sort. If you don't feel comfortable just drawing these features with the marker, you can grab your pencil to first draw the items and then to go trace over them with the marker. Once we've finished drawing all the features with the black marker, we're going to grab our eraser and get rid of any pencil marks that we still see left behind. Because even though we are going to be painting over this, those pencil marks will still show up. After I have it good and erased, I'm going to grab my markers and I'm going to use the fat side of the marker to trace the inside of the heart. So I don't want to go over the black line, I want to keep it inside the black lines. But I'm using my marker, the fat side of the marker, to give myself a nice fat line. And I'm going to trace over it 2 times so that I have a lot of marker there. I'm going to continue to do this on all of your hearts, changing colors as you choose. Okay, now that we're all finished, I'm going to grab my cup of water and paintbrush. Just plain water is all we're going to need. We're going to use that water to activate the marker. It's going to make that marker look like watercolor, and you can already see here in the orange that it's starting to do that. So I'm just tracing around the edges where the marker was with the water to activate it. Now try not to have any pooling happening, so that means move your water around if you need to. In between colors, I'm kind of tapping my brush on the bottom of the cup to get rid of the old color and pick up some clean water. Now that we're all finished, I'm going to go ahead and leave this to dry overnight at least so that all that water is absorbed. Now that we've let our picture sit overnight, we're going to just add a few extra touches. In the white space, we're going to fill it with some lines of marker, just to kind of break up all that white space and to add a little bit more whimsy to the picture. Great job. You're all finished now. You just need to check out Blackboard on how to upload your picture to Art to Remember.